See, guys, I just got done working my schedule and with nobody actually hearing me. Oftentimes, if I'm sitting at my ham desk, I'll park on .060 on whatever band. I'll just park there with the rig turned up and see what I hear. That's what I used to do back in my heyday of QRP. Yeah, just sit here and park on a frequency, and every now and then someone will jump in there. Had a CQer. Is that a real word, CQer? We had a CQer here a moment ago. I think he's gone. I gotta do something about that glare. I finally realized what I need to do before I call somebody using flea power, such as 100 milliwatts. Let's say there's a station there that I'm going to call. Before I even call him, what should I do? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my God. That was NX1K you just heard in Washington, D.C. NX1K. He's a POTA operator, and I worked him with 100 milliwatts. Worked him on the first call, too. It's amazing. He was also a 559 at the time. It's amazing what you can work with 100 milliwatts, man. And I've got to do a little bit of tuning on the Michigan cacti. My SWR on 10 meters isn't too bad. It's about 1.5 to 1. But on 20 meters, on 15 meters, it's creeping on up there. It's about 1.8 to 1. So I need to go out and play with the elements on the Michigan cacti. They're hanging kittywampus, as a friend used to say, kittywampus. I've heard it said cattywampus too. But I digress. Uncle Slappy stopped by today. Uncle Slappy made an appearance, but he left before I worked the POTA op in D.C. I didn't knock my stuff loose. I didn't lose my cool. That's two. That's two QSOs today. And dang, man, he was a QRPer too. And he wasn't saying 73, he was saying 72, which is best regards in QRP parlance. Yeah, I wish you guys a 72, man. I wish you'd try some QRP. I wish you'd work me. I'm sitting here calling on my schedule, and the bands aren't great, but they're not horrible. Right. So, anyway, Uncle Slappy paid a visit, but he didn't hang out. I'll talk to you later. I don't know if I'll publish this dribble. We'll see. He's signing 72, not 73, so I have a feeling he's running QRP. I'm going to try to work him. And N2 Bravo X-ray Charlie. He's too weak to call.